Hey all, and welcome to another video in the Learn Finale 2014.5. In this video, as you can see, we have the launch window of Finale 2014.5 right in front of us. And you will see different options for creating new music and opening existing music. We're going to go through each of these in detail. The shortest one is opening existing music. You could either open by clicking this, just clicking the blue or teal open button, and it will come up with all of your Finale files in a Finale files folder, which you will have when you download Finale. And all of my stuff is here, as you can see. I have a lot. I have a lot of band pieces and other music to finish. Or you can cancel that, go up here again, go to File, go to Launch Window. It'll open up the launch window again. You can actually go open recent file for a list of recent files that you've worked on. And you could just pick from any one of these lists. Or you can import the music XML. So what this is going to bring up is a whole list of what are called MXL or XML files. That is a dialog for programming language that actually codes and gives you the look and feel of the staves in a score and all the other little parts that you can get. It's kind of like CSS and HTML. You know, you hear about it, you study it, and there's different formats of it. Well, this is essentially this for music creation or music notation software. So I can pick any one of these files that has the MXL or XML format on it and click open. Or I can click cancel if I don't want to do that option. You can go file again and go launch window, or you can go, easiest way is option command N. Or is it, I think it's actually shift, but it's arrow command N, which is launch window. And that will take you to the launch window again. You'll have in Finale 2014.5 you'll have the option of scanning. In the later, more new version of Finale, you will not have that option. They have taken it off for copyright reasons. But in this version, you still have the scanning and the exercise wizard available to you. This will open up a window. If you click on scanning, it'll open up what's called Smart Score. And you can actually go through all of this. You could either put a PDF in an image file to scan, or you can put in a handwritten piece on a scanner and have it connected via Wi-Fi or a USB connection to your computer, and then you can actually scan the image in of the score, and it will actually do its best to put that all in printed format for you. It's kind of weird, but it actually does work sometimes. Sometimes, depending on how light or how dark the copy is, it may not work so well. You can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the DPI, the resolution, and you can also preview it by clicking the preview box. So, and you can go here to select your scanner, and a big old button will come up for you to select whatever scanner that you want. And then you can actually collect it and click select. And then it'll select this and it'll select the scanner for you. And let's say you want to preview your scan, you can click preview. If you want to reset to default, you can always do that. You can always hold on. If you select preview, it'll pre-scan the image, whatever image is on your copier in the PDF software that you have. And then after that, it'll give you a final scan after the preview, and you can click final scan for that. It'll scan the image in the best of its ability, and then it'll give you a copy, a photo printout of what is going on. So that is basically Smart Score Lite version. There is a Pro version that costs some money. I forget how much it costs. But if you wanted to get the Pro version for the 2014.5 software, that's doable for you. And then, yeah, it'll come in here and you can add files to list. And like I said, any file that's a TIFF, you can always add it in, or PDF. Depends on what you want to select. Finale, it's best to do TIFFs. So you want to do that. All right. Then you can go ahead and click close. If you're done, once your piece is scanned, you can click close and it'll open up a new file. Or you can, if you're doing the file scanning after it's done with the final scan, you click the OK button and it'll open up a file for you. There's going to be another lecture in which I discuss this in more detail, but for right now we're trying to get the pane, the launch window pane up and running for you so that you know what the functionalities are of those. The exercise wizard is Smart Music, which is basically a collection of other warm-ups for band, for soloists and choir, or in keyboard. You can actually use a built-in tuner with this. You can use a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of features with this. And you can actually come in here and type in your lesson title like scale warm-ups. And click next. You've got your letter. You want parts for this. You want scales, you're going to click that. Click the down arrow, major. Click the down arrow for more. I'm just going to do whole notes. And I'm going to click 1. And that's going to bring up an image on the left hand side of all the notes in whole note form that are on the page for the warm-up that you chose. You're gonna say OK, but if there's no exercises selected for it, that means you didn't click add. So you're going to go back, you're going to click no, you're going to click add, and then the right hand pane is going to have all that. And now you're able to do that. You'll have the exercise wizard select key and articulations window come up. I'm going to select C major, and then exercise title major scale. Then you're going to click next. And I am going to select strings, violin section, just for kicks and giggles, and I'm going to click add. And I'll add it to a list of all this. Let's say if you wanted to create an ensemble, you can go up to new ensemble. Right now it has wind ensemble selected because a lot of band teachers use this for their classes. So it's just an easy fix. You can go through and delete or remove all of these. And then you've got your violin section, then you can click next. Strings. Oops. And you're going to click OK. Save changes to the lesson. Yes. And then it's going to be scale warm-ups. It's going to be located in your Finale Files folder. Anything that you do in Finale is going to go to your Finale Files folder, which you can put in your documents or downloads or any other folder that you'd like. And you just have to wait for it to generate the scales, because it's got to generate the string parts and it's got to generate the image files for you. And once that comes up, that'll be good to go.